Hello friends, the weather is getting warmer. In April, you can still plant the seedlings of broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, Chinese cabbage, the onion sets or seedlings, kohlrabi. These are volunteer kohlrabi. Kohlrabi seedlings. This is a kohlrabi plant that has bolted. I'm just going to let them seed so that one of these days I'm going to have some volunteer kohlrabi seedlings. And the last in my list is the artichoke seedlings. The seeds that you can sow are arugula. What I have here is the rocket arugula, mustard, beets, the golden beet, carrots, purple radish, minawasi radish, 30 days to harvest. This one is 60 days. Turnips, 45 to 65 days to harvest. Lettuce, Swiss chard, spinach, garlic as companion plant, peas, kale, parsley, chives, and bok choy. These bok choy seedlings are volunteers. At the end of the growing season, I just leave my annual vegetable plants in the ground so that when they seed, there's a possibility that they can give me new plants by the next growing season. You can start sowing the heat-loving vegetables and fruits when the danger of frost is gone. Or you can start sowing these seeds inside or at first outside, and when the weather is not good, take them inside. Heat-loving vegetables and fruits are the beans, cucumber, okra, peppers, eggplants, tomatoes, squash, winter or summer squash, watermelons, raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, and grapes. Whoopsie, I forget to mention seed potatoes. That's the result of the windstorm we had the other day. Last year, 90% of my garden was destroyed because our last frost came so late, like 45 days late. So most of my seedlings were planted in the garden bed. So this time I'm going to have some in the pots so that I can take them inside my house. I can take these tomatoes inside the house because these are the dwarf varieties. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Enjoy your day.